So this problem is very pertinent. At times what you do that, such things, suppose, let's get into, ये देखिए बहुत बारी repeat हो रहा है. The repetition of this particular section line is happening multiple times. Same thing can happen with this. See how many times it is getting repeated. Why it is happening? It is because what happens is that once you put your cursor on this, you can see two symbols of the annotations coming. Can you see that?
Yes.
In the
sir.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Here also it's two. At times you see one. So if you see one, it means annotation happened for one scale. If it is coming two times, it means this has been changed multiple times. Changed through?
Multiple times.
No, changed through what? Changed through match properties. So what happens is that you match these things. Suppose you have done without scale, you made the drawing and dimension and the annotation, and then what you do that you set the page and you set the scale. See, this is the scale, this is the scale, and then you match. How do you match? You do one thing that you take out this from control 3, you drag it. So first time when you drag it, if you have set the scale, so things will come annotative. Okay, whatever the annotative setting is there, it will come as per that. But if you keep on matching these things, even this, see, this is also coming multiple times. See, double annotation mark is coming. In this, see, multiple times it is getting repeated. So why it is happening? It is because of matching. Matching what? Without scale you have made it, and then you put your drawing on scale, and then you draw one dimension, and then you match others. MA, this match. If you do that, then this will be the problem. This will be the appearance of the problem in the leader, in the dimension, in the annotation. Now, how to correct it? The motive of this video is to show you how to correct it. To correct it, what you need to do, you need to go to annotation, then you need to come to this. This is add, delete scales. So I'll go to this, and then I'll try to find out how many scales are there. These are the scales. It has gone on. It has been matched, or it has been used for these numbers of scales. What is your current scale? 1:20. So keep 1:20 and remove all others. So what I'll do, I'll keep on selecting with the help of control. Okay. And then this. If you are doing with shift, then all will be selected. If you're starting here and ending here, so this will also be selected. So I use control to select individually. And then after, what I'll do, delete, then OK. Now how many times the annotation symbol coming? One time. It means it has been corrected. Same thing you can do with this. So you need to go to this, and then you need to remove all these, and then you need to remove this and this. So number of times this is going to be repeated depends on the list of the scale, object scale list. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is going to show you 8 times. So once you delete it, it will show just one time. See, the problem is solved. One time. Now look at it. It is showing multiple times, maybe 8, 9 times. Why? Because we haven't corrected. So we'll have to correct it again. So select it. How many times this scale it has got? Look at it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 7. So 1 is original. 6 are useless. So delete them. So this is how you can correct your problem. You ask me, other than this question, that how to make the viewport based on my own preference. Suppose I want circular, I want a rectangle but with fillet or chamfered edge. So for that, I'll go to rectangle command. So where is rectangle command? This is the rectangle command. Here you have chamfer. I'll make chamfer say around 50. So I have taken 50. Then again 50. And then I made this like this. Okay. So this is the shape. Okay. After this, I'll have to do MV, make viewport. And then we'll have to go to the object, select it. Everything will come inside. Now you can highlight whatever you want, and then take the scale and lock it. Take any scale. If it is metric, then take these. If it is feet and inches or imperial, take these and then lock it. This is done. If you want circular shape, same method. Take circle and then MV, then go to object, select this. It's done. It's so simple. So any shape you want, you can take. If you want some other shapes, select it, remove this to 0 and then do fillet. Suppose I am doing 20. So this time around you are getting this. This is the shape. So you can experiment with the shape to make your presentation of the drawing better. There's no restriction. You can make things like this also. But the pertinent question here is this, that what shape should be preferred? So suppose if you have done this kind of blow up symbol over here, if you want to take out the call out, detail of or blow up detail of certain area of your front elevation or plan or elevation. So suppose you have taken in circular shape. So for this, you should take circular shape. If you are giving the mark over here in rectangle shape, suppose you want to give the detail of this area. If you want this shape, if you have taken this shape over here in the drawing, so same shape you can follow in the viewport. So this is the preferred method, and relating the shape to shape is also kind of visual cue you are giving to the reader of the drawing. Somebody who is reading the drawing would be able to connect quickly. So that is why we can use different shapes for the viewports. Any question further? Hope you have understood these two things which will really work better for you in AutoCAD. Thank you very much for watching this video.